welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So, I can't believe February is over. I literally remember saying to my boyfriend last month, oh, we have all month of February to do whatever. We have to clean out the rest of our storage unit. And I was like, oh, we'll do it in February. We have all month. You guys, this month flew by. I mean, every other month is just flying by. I really truthfully can't believe like just how quick time's moving. That being said, I did want to do a favorites video and I actually have so many products to talk to you guys about. I truthfully narrowed it down because if I didn't, I would be sitting here for literally years. Like, obviously not years, but I would be sitting here forever. So I narrowed it down to like the products that I cannot put down this month. So if you guys are interested in my February favorites, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe and lock in, and let's get into it. There have been so many new releases this month. Like I feel like every other day I'm turning around, there's like a new body oil, a new body spray, a new this, a new that. Like there's just so much going on right now. So I've tried, like I said, to narrow it down to like the staples. So I do want to start with body care. New here, and then there's no way for you to know that I'm absolutely obsessed with Flirt, and I've been obsessing with these two products. So first, they just launched their iconic body oil in their viral scent Vanilla Skin. And you guys, oh my, I want to drink this. Like this smells incredible. I love this scent from them. It is one of my favorites. It is my second favorite from them. You guys, it smells absolutely incredible. And this body oil is not a body oil that's going to like linger and like make your skin feel really oily. It's going to oil up your skin, leave your skin feeling hydrated and glowy, but not with that like oily residue. So I absolutely love it. And one of the other reasons why I really wanted to talk about this is because this scent lasts so long. Sometimes you put on a body oil and like you don't smell it. No, I remember the first time I tried this month, I literally went about my day, did what I had to do. I got in the shower at night and I was like, oh, let me just smell my arm really quick. I still smelt it. And that was the only thing Vanilla Skin I had on my skin. I just put it on just to try it out, just to see what it was all about. And I still smelt it hours later. Oh my God, I love this stuff. Like I cannot say enough amazing things about this. If you haven't tried Vanilla Skin from Fleur, you're missing out. Up next is Cashmere Skin. So this one launched like a few months ago. This is a like typical like wintry scent. This is very almondy, very vanilla. You guys, every single time I wear this, I get complimented all the time. It smells incredible. So notes are almond, cashmere, cream, vanilla, santal, amberette, musk, like so many amazing scents in here. You really get a lot of that vanilla and that almond in here. That's probably why I love it so much, because this is such a soft scent. If you were looking for something that was very soft and like feminine, not too fruity, not too in your face, but very, very soft, but still smells amazing, you guys, this, oh my God, this is another scent that I just want to eat from them because it smells so good. Like I need them to launch this in a body wash, a body oil, a perfume, because this smells too good just to be a body spray. Like I love it. So on the more affordable side, I did do a full review of these on my TikTok. So if you guys haven't seen that, this is brand new from Ear West. They launched a bunch of body mists like in December, and then I think January they launched more. This is in their scent Jasmine Peach. Now this is the exact opposite of the other two scents that I just spoke about. This is your typical fruity, like very in your face fruity scent. Like this may not be for everybody, but if you're somebody that likes a fruity scent, yeah, clearly you guys can tell that I'm obsessed with this. It's crazy because I will wear this and I will put like, I like to layer my scent. So I'll do a body spray followed by a perfume and whatever, and I will, no joke, get whiffs of this all day long. It's like I'm not even wearing a perfume on top of it because this is literally like the only thing that you smell. This smells absolutely incredible, but again, it is not for everyone. Like I feel like the Fleur ones may be more like up everybody's alley. Like they're very soft, but they are like, they do last a long time, but this one is very like in your face. Like this, I could see somebody saying like this is kind of immature, but I don't really care because I love it. It smells amazing and it does mix very, very, very well with other scents. So love that, and it's only 12 bucks. So that is amazing. If you are a fruity girly, you're gonna love that. As I've been doing this new thing with my hair where like I'm not like putting heat on it. I'm literally washing it, only drying my roots, and then putting mousse in the rest of it and kind of like scrunching it because I really just want my hair to grow and be super healthy. So I'm trying to limit as much heat exposure, but sometimes like my part and everything just like looks kind of funky. I don't know. I like how it looks right now, but at the same time, like I can't stop playing with it. So I'm sorry if I'm like annoying you. I guess sticking with the last thing of body care, this is brand new from Prequel. This is their Barrier Therapy Skin Protectant Cream. You guys, this has brought my hands back to life. When they launched this, they have like a different version of this. It's like not as intense from what I understand. I loved that one. That one was great. I kept it on my nightstand. Amazing. This one is that one like on another level. This this is absolutely incredible if you have dry hands. When I mean my hands were cracking. This winter, you guys, has been like unbearable. It's been like 2 degrees for a week straight. Like I'm literally in the middle of our second blizzard in like 2 weeks. Like that is crazy. I think there's like 25 inches of snow like outside my front door. Like it's wild over here right now, okay? This, you guys, has helped save my skin from like all the dryness. My hands, my feet, I do get like on my, like on the side sometimes, I guess from like sweaters, I do get a little irritated like right on the side of my rib cage. So I have been using this like over there, and that definitely has helped heal it. But I absolutely love this, and you get 10 fluid ounces, and I believe this is like under $30. Amazing. You can use it on your face, on your hands. It's literally meant for all over your body. This is incredible. So if you're suffering this winter like myself, yeah, you need to pick this up. Two makeup brushes that I'm dying to talk to you guys about. So first, this is brand new from Morphe. I'm sure you guys have seen it everywhere. This is their new butter collection. It is so viral right now. This is the cream and liquid bronzer, the M242, and that is exactly what I like to use this for. I think it is the perfect shape to get up in there to apply your cream bronzer. It's amazing. I have not been able to stop using it. Fun fact about me, 90% of my brushes are actually from Morphe. Like, I think Morphe makes amazing brushes. I have brushes from years ago. I have brushes from the Jaclyn Hill collection. Like, I have so many of them. I just think that their brushes are so like amazing. They're unmatched, they're affordable, and this one, you guys, I have not been able to stop using. I did buy like a whole set that came like with this brush, but I haven't really been using all of them. Like, this one is mainly the one that I've been loving. So yeah, I 10 out of 10 recommend this one. The second brush that I'm absolutely obsessed with is brand new from Rare Beauty. They launched this alongside their new powder bronzer. You guys, this shape of this brush is absolutely insane. Like, it is perfect to go right here, to go right here, to go on the sides of your nose. Like, it is like the perfect shape. I absolutely love this. And the one thing about Rare Beauty blushes, brushes, they are so soft. You guys, I know I just said I love the Morphe ones, but second place is definitely Rare Beauty. Like, Rare Beauty just does it right. Like, if you look at my collection, 90% of it is Morphe, the other 10% is Rare Beauty. Like, that is just how good these brushes are. I think they're so good, and I absolutely love this. And since we're talking about Rare Beauty, let's just talk about the bronzer, because I am absolutely obsessed with this. I think this is the one that I broke. You guys, no, this is the one I've been using. This is in this shade Summer Feels. This bronzer, you guys, is matte, but it is so blurry, and it's pigmented, but not too pigmented. Like, it's Rare Beauty, so you're gonna know a little goes a long way. So sticking with bronzers, you guys, I have fallen in love with this. This is from Milani. This is their Cheek Kiss Cream Bronzer. I have the shade 110. You guys, if you wanted a good, affordable, pigmented bronzer, this is going to be for you. I use this pretty much every single day. Use it alongside my Morphe brush, dip it in. It is so good. Like, you guys can just tell that I have been obsessing over this. I think it's like $10.99 at Ulta. It's so good, it's affordable, it's pigmented, it's creamy. I absolutely love it. I wear it every single day to work, because I was using my Rare Beauty liquid contour, which you guys know is my favorite, but I'm like, I don't wanna wear like my best makeup to work 5 days a week. So I was like, what can I do? And I was like, let me just revisit this, because I do remember loving it. And yeah, you guys, this did not disappoint. I am absolutely obsessed with her. I think it's absolutely incredible. So if you were in the market for a good, affordable, like cream bronzer from the drugstore, check this out from Milani, you guys. I feel like so many people love it, and for good reason. Product that I did not expect to kind of like take over my life. This is brand new from Urban Decay. They just launched a brand new tubing mascara. So they came out with it in 3 shades, black, brown, and then like a bleach color. You guys, this mascara is absolutely incredible. If you've ever used a tubing mascara, then you know the vibe. This one, you guys, is amazing. There's no clumping. It literally lengthens your lashes in the best possible way. I remember the first time I tried this, I was like, oh, it's gonna be like, it's just gonna be a standard mascara. No, I was blown away by this. I did not expect to love this as much as I do. I did not stop reaching for it, you guys. It is amazing, and it gives such a nice length. It doesn't really give like crazy volume, but the one thing that definitely stands out to me is the fact that there's no clumping. It's so easy to apply. Like, you guys, this tubing mascara, Urban Decay really did their thing with this, because it is absolutely incredible. I'm using it almost every single day that I'm scared I'm gonna run out of it soon, because it's just so good. And now the last product that I wanna talk to you guys about, I don't think I've spoke about it on here. I think I've only done like TikToks on it. This is from Maybelline. This is their Super Stay 24-hour skin tint. You guys, I remember when this launched, like in 2023, I remember loving it, obsessing over it, and then like so much makeup comes out that you just kind of forget. And over like a few months ago, I was like, I really just want to use like a regular drugstore foundation for every day. Like, if I don't want to use my expensive ones, like what can I use? I picked this up and I fell in love with it, you guys. It is amazing. It is lightweight, it is long wearing, it gives you medium to full coverage. Like, you would never even know that you're wearing a full coverage, like pretty much a medium to full coverage product when you put this on, because it is just so lightweight. I have put so many people onto this that they're like, this is absolutely incredible. And I'm like, yeah, I know. And I think it's like $10.99. I get mine at Target. It is so good. The one thing I want to say is the packaging kind of sucks. Like you guys can see that it gets like so dirty. I don't know what's up with that because it happened the last time I was using this one. Like I have 2 shades, by the way. This is shade 118, this is shade 110. I do have to mix them, but you can definitely see like these are not necessarily travel friendly, but they are everyday friendly. So if you were looking for a good, lightweight, everyday type of like foundation skin tint, yeah, this one, you guys, absolutely incredible. Guys, so that is everything I wanted to talk to you guys about in today's video. There's definitely some products missing, but like I said, if I like kept the list going, it would never be ending. So maybe I'll try to include those in like my March favorites. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me all of your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know, have you guys tried any of these products? Are you planning on trying any of the new makeup? Let me know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.